Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to activate RBC Debit card. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you have to check here is you have to check the mail where your card actually came from. So usually with the card that was sent to you, there's going to be instructions on how to activate that. So there are different steps, or there are different kinds of steps other banks ask you to perform for you to activate your debit card. So make sure that you check your mail first. So they might request you details to verify yourself. You might have to call the support for you to activate your RBC debit card. But if you're unsure or you don't have these steps for you to activate your debit card, well, it's best to contact their representatives directly. So you either have to go to the closest Royal Bank that you have in your area, or you could go ahead and call them contact them via their website. So go to rbcroyalbank.com, and from here you'll see an option that says contact us. So just click on that, and from here, when you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll see the option that says call us. So just click on that. So if you want to book an appointment, you could go ahead and do that as well. But in this case, calling them is going to be the easiest way. Now from here, you see the phone numbers that you'll be able to call in here, and from there, you just need to get in touch with a representative to get you up into the process of activating your RBC debit card. So be sure that you are contacting RBC representatives, because we are talking about your bank and you need to be secure and not provide any details or personal details that might compromise your account. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.